Hi, my name's Aksil.
Hi, my name's Novak.
And we're brothers. Today we're going on an adventure to Lake Benbrook to go fish and have fun.
What's up, Big Daddy?
Literally.
You ready to go fishing?
Yeah.
No Mesky. There he is. Ready to go fishing?
So we finally got the canoe up, and now we are headed down to the lake.
So right here, our dad told us to be quiet because everybody was camping, and he hit a sign, so me and Axel thought it was really funny. That's not being quiet, Dad. Be loud.
Right here is the sign that my dad hit, and that sunset is really beautiful. That's one of the best parts of going on a canoe in early morning.
Oh, yes. I'm just trying to get out of these woods. Like, just look at me. I'm still in the woods. Yep. All right. Now, come, no. These paddles right there. Moving. Okay, yeah. They're going way ahead of me. Look at them back there. I don't even see them. What? All right, paddles. Check. Struggling to get this paddle. See that? Check. Fishing poles. Check. Water. Unknown.
Okay, let's put the poles in. I'll look at the picture you guys first. It's an awesome picture. Oh yeah.
The water that morning was like glass, and the sunrise was coming up, so it was beautiful. Novak is not fishing right now because his hands and his forehead are freezing.
Going to save my brother because he thought it was funny to be stranded on a log. Come to Daddy. You just gotta come to Daddy. Come on. You're alive. You made it. didn't catch anything, but we had fun making memories with our dad.
Getting near to shore to hike back to the house.
Thanks for watching our video.
Hopefully you enjoyed it.